How we doing, guys? My name's John, and this is my review of the FEINEPRO seat covers. So here I am unboxing it. I had to switch to a different angle so you can really see it, but it comes in a very nice tight packaging. Comes with a very well-written installation guide, a nice pry bar / jammer, some zip ties, some staples, and then some gloves. And then last but not least, the installation manual that has very clear and concise instructions on it as shown right here. I really like that it came with more than one set of headrests. Right here you can see all the extras that they gave me. I think they gave me 4 for the back and 4 for the front, so I had a variety to choose from whether I wanted single stitch or double stitch. Let's get into putting the seat covers in. It really is easy, simple as 1, 2, 3. So here I am in the back. Go ahead and slide the headrest off. I failed to record that, but you slide the headrest off and you can go ahead and just start sliding it over to the front, and it just pulls all the way down like a glove. These car seats are fitted for each specific vehicle, so they will fit like factory made seat covers every time, just like that. What I really enjoyed is how it stretched over the hole. It did take a little force just to run it over, but it fits over there seamlessly. The top and bottom are separate pieces that tuck together and fit seamlessly and blend into one piece. So here I am tucking the top piece into the chair so I can pull it from the back and velcro everything together. Here's the bottom piece I was talking about. Now I'm going to pull the rest of the top half of the seat cover through so I can tighten it all up and velcro it together and just get it out of the way. As I said earlier, the instructions are very clear, so I'm reading right here that it says to push the bottom through where it has all the buckles. So here I am pushing the buckles in the seat through. Now I'm going to take the buckles on the front of the seat cover and just slide them under the chair so I can meet them in the back and just fasten them together and make sure everything's tight. And as I said and the instructions read, just fasten the buckle together, super easy. And then you're just going to tighten it up. Now I'm going to velcro the top together and really just hide everything. And there it is. What I also love about these seat covers is the laptop pouch in the back. Super easy for storage to keep things off of your car floor. Now the back was even easier than the front was. So you're going to go ahead and get that middle seat buckle out of there and just remove the headrest. I personally found it the easiest to just get in the car with the seat covers and just tackle it. But these are even easier than the front. They just slide right on and tuck right in. So here I am sliding it in. And just as the front seat, go ahead and start tucking the bottom of the front. Go ahead and start tucking it in and under the seat so you can just pull it up and around and velcro everything together. As you can see right here, I'm pulling everything forward so I can go ahead and pull it up and velcro it. And this velcro is made of very good material and sticks very heavily, very thick. And I really don't see it moving around or coming undone while you're driving or just have friends in the backseat sitting down. Putting the bottom half of the seat was just as easy. Go ahead and undo the buckles and go ahead and mock everything up so you can just get it laid out and see how you want to do it. Right about here is where I think I'm going to start pushing the buckles through, which I do. I lift the seat up and I pull them the rest of the way through just so I can get that all squared away, get them buckled and fastened, and then we'll go from there. These buckles have a really tight strap to make sure everything stays safe and secure and doesn't move anywhere or flop around in the wind or look stupid. So right here I'm just readjusting and making sure everything's tucked in there nice and firm and that nothing's moving anywhere and it all fits seamlessly together, which obviously it does. Then you can go ahead and put that seatbelt back on. Truly the easiest part about this installation is the headrest. They slide right on and just Velcro together super seamlessly. It almost looks factory. Because as you can see, I just fold the side in and then pull the Velcro over and it just looks amazing. It looks great. Go ahead and slap the headrest on and you're done. So here's a little before and here's after. Amazing upgrade.